Okay, we're going for the manuscript next. Okay, I just doodled this one here. Basically, I think I'm going to start with a box and see what I could do. All right, let's go. Is this recording? Yeah, you guys are there. Your names are not there. Good. Okay. So let's start with the cube. Shift A. And, oh, I said Shift A, dude. Come on. There we go. And we're going to go to cube, right? Let's just do it here. Add mesh. Something's not working here. Okay, I'm going to call this manuscript. Okay, a manuscript 0. Start with this. All right, so quickly I'm going to press S. I'm going to just rescale this like that. S and then X like that, and then S Z down. Okay, so this is the base of my book. So I'm going to do a couple things. Guys, can you lower the volume, please? Thanks. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is my base right now. Okay, so I'm going to keep this. I'm going to make a couple versions of these. Shift D on the Y. Okay, so I've got another one right here just so we can see the steps. All right. Okay, without doing too much, I can come in here and use maybe the Bevel tool. Let me try this out. Press Tab. Go in here with the face here. Let's see. Can I just use a bevel here? Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, I don't think I like that method there at all. That's not what I want. Okay, let me try it with edges. There is the trick here. Let's see. 1, 2. Actually, before I do that, I need to zero things out, okay? See here? Watch this. Do you see the scale? It's not once. So object, apply. Watch what happens over there. All transform. It's 1. Okay, I think this time it might just work out better for me. I'm going to try this tab, go into edge mode. Let's see. Okay, let me just, oops. Let me just grab this one more time. Go to edit mode. Click here, shift, and then we're just beveling, right? Yeah, that's cool. See, now it's better, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some faces. Isn't that nice? Sweet. Okay. So that is certainly a method. So far so good. Okay. I'm going to tab out. All right, that's that one. This one here, I got to fix I think it's Control A and then something like that. Where is it? Apply. It's a Command A transforms. Okay, so there we go. We fixed this one. So I think I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to duplicate this. Okay. You can see. Some reason the center of this box is down here, so I better change that. Right click, set origin to mass. Boom. So at this point I can actually duplicate this and make the top and then the bottom, right? I could do it that way. And when you make an object that's going to be super small, I don't think we need to work on so much on the detail. So let's see what I could do. Shift D, Z up here, right? Now I'm going to press S scale Z. I'm going to just do this. Look. In, something like that. Okay, so this comes over here as the top of the book, right? And let me just kind of go into tab mode, edit. And I'm going to move the face out. Look, I'm going to select this face and just move it out. And then I can actually go tab and then scale it on the X as well. SX out. See? Kind of like overhang. That's kind of nice, right? So that's the top of a manuscript. I'm just going to say top, M, manuscript, top. Boom, got it. Okay, so I'm going to now duplicate this, Shift D, and I'm going to go on to Z. Just bring it down here, somewhere over there, like that. Okay. All right, so we got this. So really, when you're making something super small, I don't think you need a lot of detail, as I said earlier. Okay. So the next thing is what I could do is now I could add these bucklings or cufflinks in the corners. Okay. So watch, Shift D again, Z. I just duplicated this piece, right? And I'm just going to come down here. I'm going to make a corner piece, and I'm going to go wild on it, I think. I have no idea I'm going to do this part. Okay. Tab 1 for vertex. Take these vertices. Ooh, see what happens when you do it this way? You can't pick everything, right? So if I go this way now with X-ray mode, we're on fire here. See, like that. That goes here. I can take all this, bring it down here like that. See, right there. I can take all of these guys and slide them over like this, and then this one here can come down on the X and maybe join these guys. Watch, I'm gonna weld these, okay? So this is a new concept that I haven't shown you guys yet. Okay, so see there? Oh, actually, that's not bad. That's kind of cool. Whatever. Let's just weld these pieces together. Okay, so you see, I'm gonna take these two vertices on top. Look, these two here. I'm gonna right-click and I'm gonna go merge vertices at center. They become one. Merge vertices at center. Boom, done. Tab out. Okay, right-click, set origin to center of mass. Sweet. So this comes over here. So we want. See, I want this to kind of stand out like that. Okay. What do you think? And then what we want to do is bring it down so it kind of sits on the manuscript like that. Okay? Sweet. What do you think? All right, there. Okay, so now I can mirror this to the other side, which a lot of people do. So let me see if I can pull this off. I'm never good at this. So let me see if I can right-click on this and just do the same thing again. Object, apply, all transforms. It's all at one, okay? And then here. So where is the center of this? Ooh, it's over here. Okay, so look, that's the center of this, right? So I'm going to mirror it on the X. So see if I can pull this off. So we'll go to the wrench, go to mirror on the wall. Where are you, buddy? Here. There, it did it. It's on the X right there. So it just mirrored it there, okay? Now I could mirror it again on the Z, possibly. How else I did on the Z? Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. So if I take these two, oh, now I got to separate them, don't I? I've never done this, so it's kind of cool. So now if I could go to the modifier and just say yes. Hang on a second. This is kind of cool. I've never used this in Blender before. So if I come in here now and hit apply. Okay, so now the mirror is gone, right? So if I click on this piece, so if I go over here, go to tab, maybe go to face, select, and then go into X-ray mode. Boom. Select all of these, right click, and I'm going to separate by selection. Cool. Take this one, separate. Yep, go for it. Separate by selection. Nice. Take this one. Those ones I don't have to do anything to them. So tab. Okay. So now if I go on these bucklings, for example, I can right click and go set origin right there. Set origin to the mass right here. So shift, up it goes. Bingo, it's done. That was took a long time, right? But anyway, that's okay. Now I could take these guys here, shift, hang on, one, and this one, maybe shift D, let's see. Shift D on the Y, turn it and bring it over here. What's stopping me? I don't think I need these pieces, but anyway, we'll see. Okay, so far, not bad. Let's get out of X-ray mode to see what's going on. This is kind of cool. So the key is to kind of bring these guys in there somehow, right? So can I just take this buckling and then just bring it down maybe? Like that? Ah, this is a total cheat, dude. Okay, look. If I go to tab mode now, and I go to face, and go to wireframe, here, space, right there, and I want to bring it like around here maybe. Oh yeah, it's kind of, I can bold up this area and do something. Okay, I have an idea. Okay, look. Okay, so if I select tab now, actually I'm just going to move, actually it's not bad. So with this one, this part here, I'm going to duplicate it, shift D on the Y, just so that I have a backup piece, okay? Guys, if I put a cut in here now, if I go into edit mode, right? Loop cut, watch this. Here, go like that, right here. Bingo. Let's see what this does for us, okay? Okay, because what I want to do, I want to thicken up this loop. So if I do another one, this could be kind of interesting. This is a very long way to do Manuscript for sure, but I have an idea here. So if I can add another cut down here, let's see, select this, tab, and insert edge loop. Yeah, right there. Okay, I'm going to do it like that. And then I'm going to slide it somewhere over here. Did it do it? No, not good. Let's try this one more time. In a way, I need to be in wireframe, don't I? Okay, let's go here and then just slide it somewhere over here. Cool. Okay. So what I could do now, go back, let's press Z, and then go to solid. Okay, so now I think this would be kind of cool. If I go to face mode, watch this, click here, and maybe shift. There's another way to do this in Blender, but I'm just going to select these faces, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, like that, and then let's see if we can do extrude along normals. Let's go out to, come on, not that way, this way. Oh yeah, this is kind of cool, right there. Oh yeah, we got this. And then I can slide the other one in. Outstanding, dude. That would work for me. This app is awesome. Look, shift, select these two, slide. Okay, and then bring them up. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's okay. That works for me. So I think this is kind of cool. We got these things working together. We'll make it work. Okay? Something like that, and then we got our bucklings that come in here like that, and I'm gonna go whatever, let's just go up a bit like that. Look like this one slides over, overhang like that. This kind of looks okay. See, and then we'll just go in the top view, which is 7, and then we'll bring it in, or we scale this out on the X. See, X. This was one long method just to do a manuscript, isn't it? But hey, it's worth it. Look at that. Ooh. Press period to zoom in. Not bad. Oh yeah, I'm liking this a lot actually. Okay, cool. And then maybe I'll add a buckling next. I'll do that after. Let me figure it out and then I'll do it with you guys. I think this has been a super long, and then let's just go center piece, center mass, and then we just bring these guys up. That looks kind of cool. Okay. Then I can now scale it on the X, SX, bring it in just like about here. Okay, and then we'll bring these guys in. Okay, now I need to separate them, I think. Can I do a scale on these? Oh my god, you can. What? Blender, you are a wizard. There. Okay, so far so good. I think this is kind of cool. Okay, alright. Move that one in. Doesn't matter what I do. That one's down here. Then I can scale it, bring it down, or I can say delete and just duplicate this one. Shift D, what's this? Shift D, and then on the Z, come on down, buddy. Come on down, somewhere in here, like that, okay? We'll bring this one out a bit, and then we'll scale out. We'll take the face over there. Tab 3, get in there, and then say, nope, I don't want to extrude. I just want to do this. Okay, kind of cool. Okay, there's my manuscript. That works. It's kind of simple. I'm going to add a buckling here. I want to. Okay. How many minutes was this craziness? 13 minutes. Outstanding. Okay. Questions over there? Yeah, treasure chest is after this one, guys. So this is my manuscript. I'm thinking of actually adding a buckle here. So let me just do that. Add mesh cube. Ooh, I have it at the center still. That's okay. I'm just going to do a buckling right over here, or some kind of a leather strap that goes around it, okay? So watch this. S, Y, like that, okay? There. Now, I just want to go, that's not bad. So let's go like this here. So I want some kind of a locking mechanism buckling going in here, right? Okay, cool. So next is tab 3 for face. I'm going to go E for extrude out like that. And then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go E and just kind of crank it all the way there. Okay. I could have done this like in mirror mode, but I think for this grade I don't need to do that. Okay. So click E, shoot over there. Now, is there a way if I go here and bridge these two on this app? Extrude faces, extrude along normals, triangulate. I bet you there is. Face, triangle, extrude faces, inset. No, there's got to be a bridge, man. There's got to be. I can't imagine this app not having it. Faces. I'll figure it out. There's got to be. Why is there? Let's go to face. Extrude poke, wireframe. intersect shade. I'll figure this out. So if I go E now, can I extrude on both? Yes, I can. Okay, so then between here and here, can I bridge? 1 sec, buddy. I'll be right there. Right there. Let me just see if I can bridge these two now. Just come on. It's gotta be. There's no way. Mesh tools. What's this? Flip, try, bevel, vertices, fillet. Bridge. Oh, this is sweet. Merge factor, open loop, number of cuts. Let's increase this. 2, 3, see? 4. And then if I go out like that, oh, dude, what happened here? Okay, do I got to rotate this? Hey, it did bridge it. I think I just got to rotate it, don't I? Let's see here. No. Okay, let's just forget. Let's just do my thing here. Okay, so I think the bridge worked. I just don't have it lined up perfectly. Okay, so let's just see how this goes. So I want to clamp it out, right? Okay, so basically now, if I go to move here, like I need to use my views because I'm not using it. I'm being silly here. See, like let's say if I go out here. Yep, go for it. Yeah. This one. Now I'm going to press 3. I'm going to line these guys up like somewhere here. And then I'm going to edge mode. Hold Alt right here. And then line this up somewhere here. Couple squares. Okay, it's almost over this class, eh? Alt. I already post. I'm going to post it later. Here, let me try this now. Face and face. So just hit bridge and see what happens. I can add the cuts later, I think. Face. I thought I saw it. Didn't I? Guys, didn't I see the... Where is it? I thought I did this. Oh, there. What was that? I swear I saw a bridge somewhere. Is there a bridge here? No, sorry. Mesh. Let's try that. Oh, hang on a second. I've just lost my spot. Try this again. Period. Zoom in here. Come on, man. There's got to be a... I just did a bridge. What do I got to do to get this bridge here? Right click. Split. There it is. Bridge faces. Okay, that's all. I'll do the cuts myself now. Okay, so there's my bridge. Now I'm going to go into cuts. Click. Okay, so that one's good. Wait. And I'm just going to poke it out a bit like that. Another cut over here. Boom. And then move. 1 second, buddy. You did? Awesome. Okay, let me move this here. So this is the idea of this lock-in mechanism I'm talking about, right? So now I can come in here and bevel and do all that kind of stuff, which is kind of cool, right? We can add a lock-in here kind of thing. Okay, I'm going to stop here. This is too long. Okay, tab out, I think. I said tab out. It's not tabbing. Tab out. Okay, let's... Oh my God, I haven't saved. You know, this app is amazing. It hasn't crashed yet. It hasn't crashed once all day. Like, I've been demoing, like, all this stuff. So, let's say this is Manuscript. I didn't save it once. Didn't save it once. What's that? You can do anything you can imagine in Blender. It's insane. Okay, hold on. Let me stop this, and we can talk.